In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your company OneDrive profile to your personal computer. Now, this is a useful skill to have, particularly if you want to seamlessly integrate work with your personal setup. So, let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First things first, it's important to ensure that you're logged into your Microsoft account. This is a crucial step because you'll need to be logged in to access the options required to add your company profile to OneDrive on your machine. If you're not logged in yet, don't worry. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Microsoft account login page. Enter your credentials there, and once you're logged in, let's shift our focus to the OneDrive icon, which usually looks like a little cloud. You'll find it conveniently located on your taskbar. Next, go ahead and click on that OneDrive icon. This will give you access to the OneDrive settings, a key area where we will spend a few moments configuring settings for your company profile. Once you've opened the OneDrive menu, look for the small gear icon that represents the settings menu, and click on it. Now that you're inside the settings main menu, you'll want to click on the settings option again. I know it might seem a bit repetitive at first, but this extra step actually takes you to a more detailed settings page, which is exactly where we need to be. Once you're in the full settings menu, shift your focus over to the Account tab. This tab is particularly important because it shows you all the accounts linked to OneDrive on your computer. Here in the Account tab, you'll have the opportunity to add a new account. So, go ahead and click on Add an Account. It's generally quite a straightforward process, but nonetheless, it's a critical step in linking your company OneDrive to your personal device. Once you click this, a new window will open up, prompting you to sign in to your company's OneDrive profile. At this stage, enter the credentials for your company account. This process ensures that only authorized individuals, like yourself, are capable of adding the account to your personal computer. After logging into your company OneDrive profile, a setup wizard will appear to guide you through the final stages of the setup process. Simply follow these on-screen prompts, and you'll be directed through any permission requests or options you need to acknowledge to complete the integration. And there you have it. If you followed along with these steps, you should now see your company OneDrive profile successfully added under your list of accounts, giving you easy access to your work files directly from your personal computer. By combining these simple steps, you can effortlessly manage both your personal and professional digital spaces, keeping everything just a click away.